Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to add your Instagram account to the Pocket FM app. This is a simple process that allows you to connect your social media to your profile, making it easier for your friends and followers to find you. Let's begin the steps. First, open the Pocket FM app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Next, look for the edit icon near your profile information and click on it to open the editing options. Next, scroll down through your profile until you find the section labeled Social Account. Under this section, you will see a field for Instagram. Click on this field and enter your Instagram username carefully. Then, after entering your Instagram username, locate the Save Changes button just below the field. Click on it to save your information. By following these steps, you can easily share your social media profile and stay connected with your friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.